Myself Abhishek Dutta, and I'm here from Mumbai. Well, I attended one seminar by Rise Academy related to the TTT, and simplicity of Sunil sir really impressed me a lot. That was the one reason that why I enrolled myself for this course. I have done my MCA and engineering from HBTI Kanpur, and I'm doing job at JP Morgan Chase as an associate. Well, I'm into the software field, working for the past 13 years. And in this workshop of 12 days, we were completely drowned in the fountain of the knowledge. We were immersed with the thought process, the tools and the techniques that can be used not just to change, but also to bring the change in multiple aspects of life in various varieties of people. Means that it can be young, it can be senior citizen, housewife, professionals, or students of any formats. Everything starts from the thought, and we have really understood the power of thought and the power that lies within us. Overall process of the Rise Academy at this place was really appreciable. We came across this in these 12 days. We started our day at 7:30 a.m. and ended till 8 p.m. and we were not at all tired. We started our day with daily rituals and followed by lots of demos and activities throughout the day. And these all activities, after doing these all activities, we understood that how freely we can stay alive in this world. And these tools and techniques now, Sunil sir has given us, like a father, he has given us all the things. And we have to use these things to bring the changes in our life and to bring the changes in the life of other peoples. So I'm really very grateful to Sir and to the Rise Development Foundation for really helping us to understand ourselves, the power that lies within us, and to bring the change in multiple lives of the people across the globe.